Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to wrap text in the Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So for wrap text, so firstly select the text which you want to change into the wrap form. So after selecting the text, you can see the options of home. Just click on it and then you can see the options of wrap text. So just click on it. So when you will click on it, your data is changed into the wrap form, but here you need to adjust the size. So after that you can see the data is changed into the wrap form. So here you can also adjust the position of text. So guys, in this way you can change text into the wrap form. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to the playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.